Today, let's take a look at what Azure Verified Modules are. Microsoft's mission is to deliver a comprehensive Azure Verified Modules library in multiple IAC languages, following the principles of the well-architected framework, serving as the trusted Microsoft source of truth. Supported by Microsoft, AVM will accelerate deployment time for Azure resources and architectural patterns. Azure Verified Modules are supported by Microsoft across various internal teams, ensuring consistent alignment with clear specifications and up-to-date compatibility with product/service roadmaps. They are Azure well-architected framework high-priority recommendations with clear documentation and examples for self-service consumption. These modules undergo testing to ensure compliance with AVM specifications and successful deployment of their examples. At the moment, there are close to 117 modules and 4 pattern modules exist. Let's look at how to leverage these modules when writing a template. First, you need to go to Azure Verified Modules portal to find out some information about the modules like path and the version. Let's select Compute Disk Module. If you click on the hyperlink, it will take you to more details about the modules like required parameters, what type of data parameters look for, etc. Azure Verified Modules are saved in Microsoft's public Azure Container Registry for Bicep modules. I will add a link below to referencing all the information around that. Let's use the module now. Because we are using a module in a container registry, module reference is slightly different to the local module reference. From the module portal, you would need to copy the path and the latest version ID. However, if you are using Xcode and the extension installed, all of these syntaxes will be auto-populate. All you need to do is select the settings from the IntelliSense based on your requirement. Xcode will automatically pick up the available version. It's best to stick with the latest modules. I will add the required values now. You will note how good these modules are pretty soon. You will prompted with all the options for these module parameters too. You can simply deploy a resource by passing the required parameters to these modules. This has become more easier than ever. This option is good for folks who are willing to access these modules via over the internet. But if you don't, you can fork the Bicep module from the GitHub repo and maintain your own ACR in that matter. I will talk to you more about that in the next video. That's it for today, folks. Hope to catch you with the next one. Bye for now.